And I'm back. Outdoorsy manly things. Weed eating. Drill. Outdoorsy manly things. And this is more like a celebration of all things manliness. Although my wife does more of the yard work than I do. She also carries my wallet in her purse. But we won't talk about that. Yeah, it's just at the movies or when we go somewhere and I don't want to carry my wallet. So there you go. But I'm still a man. I promise. I got flannel on. Flannel! Flannel! Get your flannel on. Now here's the key, nice and smooth, swinging back and forth. It looks good, it gives you a straight line, it never looks goofy. I know better than anyone else how to not look goofy. So trust me, it'll be just fine. Makita, speed and accuracy. Did I? What? Way to go. While I'm filming. No shame. That's the Shih Tzu way. There you go.